Namaskar. Good evening, dear parents. I hope you all are fine, safe at home. I also hope my students are enjoying taking utmost benefit of their online classes and teachers' guidance. As we all know, the whole country is struggling with the pandemic that is coronavirus disease. Undoubtedly, the times are hard. However, our government, with the strong support of law enforcement agencies and the medical workers, is ensuring its best services round the clock so that we are safe and we are able to defeat this pandemic. Given the solidarity, unity, discipline, and concrete resolutions, we shall certainly defeat this invisible enemy, and I'm sure you all agree with me, dear parents. So given this backdrop, I, Archana Singh, the principal of MPS International, would like to share with you certain guidelines framed by the Education Committee of the Maheshwari Samaj on the basis of the inputs of the Central Board of Secondary Education, the Government of Rajasthan, and the Government of India. Dear parents, looking at the conditions prevailing and in view of the extension of the national lockdown till 3rd May 2020, the summer vacation for the students of MPS International stand preponed. That is, the summer vacations will now be from 16th April 2020 to 31st May 2020. Dear parents, our school has also taken some measures, including the advancement of technology and commencement of online classes, to make optimum use of the resources at hand. So the online classes shall continue for standard 9th to 12th till 30th of April. That means 9 to 12 shall continue in operation till 30th of April 2020. And there will not be online classes for the students of standard 1st to 8th from 16th April till the 31st May. Now here I would like to advise the students to complete their assignments or the project as given by the faculties during these online classes. I also wish to inform that the supplementary examinations will be held for the students concerned immediately after the lockdown is lifted and requisite approvals are obtained from the authorities concerned. The school shall surely reopen under the strict guidelines of the Government of India. Under any circumstances, if the school reopening is delayed due to the restrictions imposed, the online classes shall continue to operate in the meanwhile. One more advice to their parents, that you shouldn't be worrying about the books and the uniform. It is surely going to be available once the restriction imposed are lifted. Anyways, our faculties are providing the online material to facilitate the learning process of your child. The books and the uniform, as I said, will be available once we start with the school. I shall also ensure that a separate schedule is sent to you all regarding the same. In pursuance of the message of our Honorable Prime Minister in his national address yesterday, I strongly advise you all and your ward to please maintain social distancing and not to come out of your house. I also urge you all to follow the lockdown imposed in its letter and spirit. It is only this cooperation and solidarity, my dear parents, will help us defeat this invisible enemy, as I said in the beginning. Now, on behalf of ECMS, I pray and wish you all good health and safety. Thank you for patient hearing. Stay healthy, stay fit. Jai Hind.